Welcome to Indie Radio Newsreel. I am Prajakta and you are listening to the news updates for 28 September 2024. Here are the international news updates for today. Hezbollah confirms death of leader Hassan Nasrallah after Israeli strikes on Beirut. Hezbollah has confirmed the death of its leader Hassan Nasrallah after Israeli strikes on Beirut. Nasrallah, who had not been seen in public for years because of fears of being assassinated by Israel, was one of the best known and most influential figures in the Middle East. Meanwhile, airstrikes continue in the southern Beirut. Elsewhere, the Israeli military said that it is attacking targets in the Bekaa Valley after detecting a rocket fired from Lebanon. At least 45 dead as Helen pummels southeast US. At least 45 people have died and millions have been left without power as Hurricane Helen tore through the southeastern US. Officials continued rescues with boats, helicopters, and large vehicles to help those stranded in floodwaters. It was the most powerful storm on record to hit Florida's Big Bend and moved north into Georgia and the Carolinas after making landfall overnight on Thursday. Insurers and financial institutions say damage caused by the storm could run into billions of dollars. Although Helen was weakened significantly, forecasters warn that high winds, flooding, and the threat of tornadoes could continue. 17 people killed in South Africa mass shooting. 17 people have been killed in a mass shooting in a remote South African town with a manhunt underway to find the perpetrators. 2 homesteads in the town of Lusikisiki in the Eastern Cape were targeted, police said, with 12 women and 1 man killed in one location and 3 women and 1 man at a second location. An 18th victim is in a critical condition in the hospital, the South African Police Service said. South African media outlets are reporting that the victims were relatives and neighbors in Nyati village in Lusikisiki. Officials have yet to determine the motive or make any arrests. Now to the national news stories. Bridges, roads damaged after heavy rain triggers landslides in Sikkim. Heavy rains have triggered multiple landslides in several areas of Sikkim over the last 3 days. Many roads have been blocked due to landslides, hampering road connectivity in the state. The Rangrang Bridge, considered the gateway into the northern part of Sikkim, also suffered severe damage. The weather department has predicted heavy to very heavy rainfall in Sikkim over the next 2 days and has issued a red alert. In the last 24 hours, the state has received 102 millimeters of rainfall. Fresh violence in Manipur's Jiribam district. Suspected militants launched a fresh gun attack on an isolated village in violence hit Manipur's Jiribam district today, according to police. Armed men fired indiscriminately around 11:30 am at the low-lying Mongbung Meitei village from nearby hilltops and surrounding dense forests, prompting retaliation from village volunteers in the area. The exchange of fire is currently underway. Security forces have been rushed to the scene to control the situation. No casualties have been reported so far. Blast at illegal firecracker unit in Haryana's Sonipat kills 3, injures 9. 2 women and a child were killed and 9 others injured in a blast at an illegal firecracker unit in Haryana's Sonipat district today. The incident happened at a factory in Ridhau village where workers and some of their family members were present at the time. The chemical used for making firecrackers likely caught fire, causing the explosion. Authorities said the cause of the fire that triggered the blast is under investigation. Thank you for listening to Indie Radio Newsreel. For more news, audiobooks and podcasts, stay tuned to Indie Radio or log on to www.indiejournal.in. Also consider subscribing to listen to our premium shows.